both go down?
Hmm?
Can we both go down?
No, puppy.
Why?
It's getting late, okay? We'll come some other day. It's getting late for pigeon. We'll come some other day. And we'll go down. Okay?
We'll go down?
Yeah, we'll come some other day, okay?
We'll go down here?
Yeah, some other day, not today. We'll go down then, okay? You should be a good boy then.
Some other day we'll go down?
Yeah. Will you be a good boy then? Okay.
And will we come back here?
It's a nice place.
Hmm.
Did you see the big cross?
Yeah. I want to come here again. I want to come here again.
Okay, we'll come. You see the big cross of stone? Did you touch the stone?
Huh?
Did you touch the stone and see? See how big the stone is?
Sun?
You see the stone?
The sun? Huh?
How big and huge it is. Shall we go?
Diana Kata is also going.
Yeah, she went off.
You come. When I go, it is your turn to come, okay?
Okay.
You stay here. First, let me go up. Then, you go up.
Alright.
See there?
Okay, don't run, you'll fall.
I told you. Go down. Hold my hand and come.
No, we are going. Apache is waiting there.
No, you. Yeah.
Stop there.
You come. You come.
No, I'm going. You all are going.
Come.
Why?
I tell you after.
Oh, okay.
After I go and I finish this slope, then you come.
Okay, go.